over to the maintenance bypass. Then we can work inside the UPS. Okay. Okay. So this is the maintenance bypass. We have some switch input. You can see there is an input. This is the input switch.
Input switch.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the input switch. And this is the bypass switch. You can see there is a bypass switch over here.
Bypass switch.
Yes. Also, we have the maintenance bypass. This is the one, which is right now open condition. Okay. And this is the output. SWND.
Okay. Why is this?
It needs to be because the people are working over here. When they are doing the constructions or something else, of course the dust will come inside. This need to be cleaned by the blower. And this is the output switch, which is here. This is the output switch.
Output switch.
Yes.
And this
This is the bypass switch.
bypass switch and this.
This is the input switch. Okay. And
This is maintenance switch.
this is the maintenance switch. Okay. And here there is a battery circuit.
Okay.
The
before
posting-
before we get to the battery, please, can you make label here for every switch? And
We have here.
So we have the cover.
Uh-huh.
On the cover, you will find all the labels over here.
Okay.
Here, this is the cover.
There's a cover as well.
This is the cover, which will be fixed here, and
Okay.
it will have all the notifications.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the battery circuit.
Battery circuit.
Yeah, this is the battery circuit, positive and negative, which is coming from the
Coming
from the battery switch.
battery switch.
Yes, we have a batteries, 40 batteries in a string, which we have a two string, 40 plus 40. So totally we have 80 batteries, which all 80 batteries being connected to here, and from here it is going to the UPS.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
From here to here.
Yes.
Battery circuit. To battery circuit.
Yes, this is the battery circuit.
Okay.
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 And right now we have it in the normal operation, and this is the menu which we can see the information of the input. Let's say input, it takes 396, 396, 395 between the phases, and between the phase and neutral, which is 227, 227, 22 decibels of input side.
Between phase and neutral.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the output. Output, we can see there is a between phase to neutral, which is 230, and phase to phase, which is 400, and there is a frequency of 60 Hz.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the measurement.
This is the
Can you
measurement.
just note it down? The output voltage is 230 and 230 and 400 for the phase. And right now there is no load
I think this is not clear.
here.
Okay.
There is a number is here.
Number here.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 1, this is the button. Number 2, this is the button. Okay, it is all displayed. It is all, it will show in the display itself.
So this is also to address here.
No, because if we put it here, and day by day, year by year, it will be erased. That is why we have given you in the digital.
Okay, continue.
Yeah. So this is the thing. So when we go to the test, if you open the test, we can measure all the things. I think we have measured it, everything. While doing the testing, first test, there is a mains failure. When there is a mains failure, automatically it will start draining the power from, it is taking the power from the batteries without any disconnection. 0 milliseconds it will transfer.
Okay.
Example, this is the input, they are going to switch it off, and automatically it draws the power from the battery. See? Previously there was line, right? Now there was a solid line. Now there is a dotted line which is feeding from the battery. You can see there is a battery and which is going to the output. And you can see,
Bypass line.
yes, main line voltage failed. Yeah, bypass line voltage failed because we failed the power.
because you make this off.
Yes.
Just connect the switch off.
We kept the switch off.
Okay.
Automatically, you will lose the power over here.
Now power
Which means-
activated.
No, it is activated through the battery,
Yes.
right?
Now battery is activated now.
Yes.
Okay.
It is giving a voltage from the battery, the load from the battery, and it will show us the autonomy time.
So that's why the battery
Yes.
indicator lamp is on.
Yes.
So what is the output of our battery?
There is a thing, and if you want to check the output of the battery,
What our battery size?
the battery size
Size
is
capacity.
150 Ah.
100,
150.
150
150 Ah.
AH.
Yes. 12 volts, 150.
Times 2. Times 2.
Ah.
Continue.
Okay. So this is the first test. When we break down the supply, it will start taking the power from the battery.
Okay.
Okay. Without any.
Immediately.
I need to
How's the work?
We are going to do one by one. This is the first step. Okay. So we will put it normal. It will come to the normal position, as you can see. Now it came in the solid position. This is the first.
There is our technician. So we can close it. So now you make it this on.
This is on.
This on now. And it's now
And it is
normal
not.
power. Okay.
Right? Now, what I'm going to do is, we have a source which is both are same, the input as well as the bypass. Now I'm going to switch off the input. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. If I turn off the input, it will start draining from the battery as well. Now you can see it is draining from the battery.
Okay.
Also, we have a bypass power here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, let's say example, the battery. Let's say example 15 minutes. Now, we are not disconnecting the power from here. We are just disconnecting the power from here.
Okay.
To discharge the battery. After 15 minutes, let's say now we have reached the 15 minutes.
Okay.
The battery will shut down.
Drain.
Right. The battery will shut down.
After 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, it is shutting down. Automatically, it will transfer to the bypass.
Okay.
Okay, automatically it transfers to the bypass. Yes, from here. From here. Okay. If you switch off this, completely the system will off.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will make it on. Once we make it on, automatically it will start the rectifier circuits and inverters. Immediately it will give to the output through the rectifier, sorry, the inverter. See, the line has been changed automatically.
Okay.
So this is the automatic bypass. Yeah. Now we are going to activate the maintenance
Maintenance
bypass.
switch.
Yeah. So we have this unit has been interlocked with electrical as well as mechanical.
Okay.
Alright. So we will, for a safe position, let's say we have a low battery charge because we have disconnected the battery.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We have an option which is called bypass. 6. Number 6 equal to bypass. When you press number bypass, it will ask you to enter the code.
Okay.
This is the code 47263.
Okay.
4 7 2 6 and 3. It will ask. Now it has been changed to maintenance. See here, this is the, it went to the bypass. Now we can switch on the bypass. I can switch off the these things also, because you can see this line has been activated. You see?
Yes.
I have switched off the output. It is feeding directly from here. Okay? This is the manual bypass.
Manual bypass.
Now even we can switch off all the breakers. It will start feeding to the bypass. it will feed from the bypass. Now we have only this is on, remaining all are off.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but still we are getting the output to the UPS.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and also we can put this maintenance bypass. So when we switch on this, once we have to switch on this first, then we have to switch on this. So without not interrupting the output. Okay. So now everything has been done. So we have done the battery discharging test by switching off the mains, and we have done the automatic bypass test by switching off the input and by batteries, and we have done the maintenance bypass. So it is perfect. It is working condition. Alhamdulillah.
You need your technician.